brushed off the sand, picked off the crabs, set out to check out the scene. What's it like to be ridiculously free? They were about to see. Then this cat in a cape, holding a drink, stepped out from the jungle green. He said not a word, but his message they heard, so they followed where he would lead. He took him to a magic door, to a pad with skins on the floor. They knew that they would search no more, and they never returned to the way that it used to be. Never returned from the lands of elegant bachelors. Went by. One day in the sky was a big loud helicopter that threw down a ladder. Is this what they were after? Rescue is what they were offered. Looked up at the swinging rungs. Salvation only comes around once.